Why couldn't you just wake me up and tell me instead of
Well, I tried to wake you up earlier and I couldn't. You were snoring. Dude, I can't sleep at all, man. Not when you're snoring. I know you can't help it.
I didn't even know I was snoring that loud.
Well, I know you can't help it. I mean, people that are big, people that smoke, they snore. My wife snored, drove me nuts.
What time is
She
it?
was loud. You know you're really half as loud as she was.
What time is it?
Well, it's about 1 o'clock. Yeah, I cannot sleep with that, man.
Is that loud?
Yeah, you're snoring. I like quiet sleep.
Well,
Yeah, I tried to wake you up earlier. Yeah, I didn't ring the bell. She just happened to come in.
oh really?
I said, well, since you're in here, is there another room I can sleep or somewhere I can sleep?
How did you sleep whenever I was sleeping in here with you?
Not really that good, but I didn't want to say nothing really.
Oh.
I mean, I have a hard time sleeping at night anyway. That's why I sleep a lot during the day.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's just my sleeping pattern's really messed up because of all the different places I've been.
Well, I'm sorry, buddy.
Outside, and it's just really.
Yeah, there's no other room.
Sleep at night, it has to be real quiet.
There's no other room, but
they're not gonna move. They're not gonna move anybody out of the room just for me.
Let me finish.
So
I said there's no other room, but when I had trouble with the guy who tried to say he's gonna kill me, when I had trouble with him in here, because of that, he tried to like threaten me, and he come towards me. They made him stay out on the sofa for I don't know how long, 2 or 3 days.
She said no.
Oh.
But he tried to hurt you because of that?
Well, yeah, that was the man. Well, the sheriff told me he couldn't come in here. Maybe that's the only reason why they would do that until they could find a spot. But I mean, for something like that, I mean, if that's even possible, so you could get your sleep, because your mental health is also is a concern to try to be taken care of.
That's just it, I mean,
overall, with everything else too. So they need to try to do something so that you can be healthy in all aspects of the word. If they can, they should put you out there just to sleep or whatever, and then in the daytime come in here. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I mean, there's only like so much room in here. There's only 6 people in here. So you said,
Yeah.
you're not gonna get somebody out of the room and they're comfortable just because of me. And this is another reason to push me out the door. And if I leave, I'm gonna get in trouble. They can fucking hurt me with my social worker if I get back in Moran. And I'm really afraid of leaving and taking a Greyhound. I mean, if I can't find any food, I'm fucked because I could have a seizure. And I'm doing 4 changes. I think the 4th one is probably just get into Moran. They count that as the 4th one. I don't know.
Well,
I'm just really flustered right now. I mean, I'm snoring and my diabetes, I'm trying to get out of here. Everything's really messed up in my life. You know, I really made a bad mistake coming down here. I swore I would have been better if I was just wouldn't let a fucking sleeping bag and gun blanket and stuff outside.
so what are you?
Bother me.
So what are you gonna do?
I don't know. So I'm trying to make a decision. The snoring's not helping me.
Is it like a freight train or something? I don't know.
Just snoring, snoring.
Just snoring in general?
Yeah, just snoring.
Well, I always was able to sleep whenever somebody snored because to me it was comforting. I have no idea, but to each their own, I don't know what to do,
I
but
used to be in a dorm where they called it,
they called it jail.
no, it wasn't jail. Jail you can't do anything about it. Or you're just in a cell with another guy.
Well, this dorm's in jail
I
too.
would have been lucky. I never had anybody that snored. But
Really?
I was in a thing, and it was for people, they pick you up in a school bus, they take you, they put you in these churches. And you got about fucking 40, 50 fucking guys.
So
Well, they would feed you, and they'd play movies at night, but 10 o'clock the light goes out, boy. If you could hear people start snoring, there was nothing you could do about it. You just had to deal with it. And a lot of times I just stayed up all night fucking
tired.
sleep. Finally,
Yeah.
I got wise, and during the day I'd go get a bottle, and at night I'd crack it open while everybody's asleep, and it would make me sleep. You know? I'd get a little drunk, and then I just didn't give a fuck, and I could go fall asleep. Yeah.
well, then I don't know what to do, but I gotta turn this light back out. And
Oh yeah, nice and
That's-
dark.
turn this on for a second. So it's just too bright. Ah. Oh God. Ah. Okay, well.
They gave me a cushion, a sleeping bag, and a pillow. I could sleep outside. It wouldn't bother me a bit. I know they wouldn't do that.
A sleeping bag? Well, I wonder how warm it is outside right now. Go out there and put your blankets out there on the ground and sleep.
I can barely stand up. My legs are pretty bad.
And you think you're gonna go home and go sleep behind a bush?
Well, I'm not gonna get no exercise. It's the reason why my feet and my legs are the way they are.
Well, do you want to exercise?
Hmm?
We have a physical therapist that keeps coming, but you won't exercise with him. Every time I'm exercising, you could say, hey, let me have next if you want to get better. I mean, shit, you're really putting yourself in a spot if you think you're going to go home and sleep behind a bush instead of in here.
Well, I do a lot of walking while I'm out, man. When I'm out seeing the bush during the day, I'm fucking walking all over the place, taking buses. You know, I don't sit in one spot.
So you're saying that that's why you're swollen up because you're sitting in one spot?
Well, yeah, I have been. You know, I was in the hospital just sitting. You know, I didn't do no therapy, nothing. The therapy they had was just exercises in bed.
Well, I swelled up when I was sitting in one spot, but that's called getting fat. You're swelling up because of something else, I guess.
Yeah, I need to get laid. I need to find a nice woman. Anyway,
Find a nice woman and get some exercise.
I have to deal with it. I mean, I can't.
Well, you need to exercise and then try to get better the 3 months you're here. And I don't know. That's my best suggestion, but I don't know what you can do about changing rooms. Maybe they can give you a private room and one of the other guys can come in here. That way you can get your sleep and stuff. I don't know. But I don't know how many
I don't think
other...
anybody's going to want to budge once they're in their room.
Oh, they've done it before.
Yeah.
You're so negative a lot, I can tell. Think about the positive things. See what we can do, not saying, well, they're probably not this, we're probably not that.
Like the people that so far what I've dealt with here are not all that great. All right.
You just got here, how do you know?
I'm just not going to worry about it. And what it is, what it is.
Well,
I
then-
make my mind up to where I'm going to.
Then what we should do is we should make it what it is about me snoring. I don't know what to do, buddy. But I gotta sleep too.
People that snore will not stop.
How about this? What if I wait until you go to sleep and then I go to sleep? Will that help?
It's going to take you a while. You can't do that. You don't have that power to do that.
I don't have the power to do what? I have the power to do whatever,
It might take me.
I have the power to do whatever I feel I can do, but at least I'm positive about it. You are negative.
You're gonna try,
You're even negative on my behalf. I don't need you to do that. Don't tell me I don't have power. Let me do that, and then I'm trying to help you.
I'm just telling you, I might stay awake for 2 hours. I got a lot on my mind, dude. I don't know what I want to do.
But yet you're complaining that you can't sleep, but yet you're going to be awake anyway because you got a lot on your mind.
I'm not gonna argue.
It does not make sense, brother.
Don't even push me.
Hey, you don't push me.
I'm not pushing you. I'm just telling you I can't sleep when there's somebody.
You're just being, you say one thing, but you mean another. You can't sleep because of me, but yet you're going to be awake for 2 hours because you got a lot on your mind. Which one is it?
Both.
Both? Well, then stop complaining and go to sleep.
Both basically the snoring.
Fuck, man. Go to sleep.